Get away from it all in the new Explorer from Ford. If you're looking for 4 doors and more interior room than any vehicle in its class, if you want 4-liter power and push-button 4-wheel drive in the best-selling vehicle in its class, if the only thing you want to leave behind is the city, your Explorer is ready.
That was pretty cool. You know, it's been a while since we posted a video, so I don't quite remember everything that we've done in the past 4 weeks. It's just been busy here at the shop, and it's hard to just get out here and do this like we do, because that's the priority. So this is our fun. Anyway, we got all the parts in, and we took it to Recoil Racing. They did a great job putting everything in. Everything worked as it should. And here's some footage of that. All right, so what Recoil Racing installed is basically our intercooler, our downpipes, our diff brace, 3-inch full exhaust, frame bushings, the Steeda lowering springs and sway bar. So anyway, we're ready to take it racing. Hey everybody, we're back here at Evadale. It's a Friday night test and tune. We're gonna see what the ST does. We only got maybe an hour and a half because Sarah has to go to bed. And hopefully we get down to low 11s with this new stage 2 tune.
We were real happy with what was going on, and at the end of the day, you know, you got to be happy.
Hey, those are colors. I dig it. So let's see what happens. Hey everybody, we're out here at Evadale. I want to introduce you to my wife. A lot of people don't know what DTS stands for. We joke around a lot. It's called Don't Tell Sarah. That's Sarah. So obviously she has found out because she is with us tonight.
A few things I found out tonight. Yeah, poor car. I'm going to have to get my own now.
You are?
Yeah.
It's just going to go faster.
Whatever. Don't mess with my truck.
Promise.
Okay.
Hey, Doc here at DTS Tactical, located in Moss Bluff, Louisiana. With today's economy, money's tight. We get it. Imagine getting more for your money. Any item you purchase online or in store, I'll install absolutely free. Now that's value. Imagine getting more for your money. Don't miss out on your opportunity to save money. For DTS Tactical, we are your AR Superstore. so we ran twice. First one was a 12-1. I wasn't happy with that. Spun probably in second gear. I got to figure out this burnout situation with this traction control stuff. So it's all learning process. But second run we pulled 11.9. I was happier with that, but I still think with this stage 2 setup, it should be low 11s. That sounded bad. Must have had some Mexican food. So again, we're out here trying to do some testing. I got to data log one of these so I can get back to Winfield with Goose Tune so he can have something to work with. And after these junior dragsters go, all 300 of them, it looks like, we'll get to go again. All right, later. So by the end of the night, we were able to pull 11.8, I think 11.86, 116 mile an hour, I believe is what the slip said. I was happy with that. We got into the 11s. Again, you know, the humidity was high. It wasn't that cool out, so it's not going to do its full potential. You know, plus there's a factor of a human behind the wheel. Also, we took Bradley's Ninja 636 with us, and he let me play on that on the track. So that's really what I used to do and really like to do. And we pulled a 11.3 with it. Never rode it before I got there. I think I did one wheelie. I got a little excited, you know. And the bike's completely stopped, so I had fun. We'll probably try it again just for fun, with footage. Hoping next year we have a real one in the stables that's only for drag racing, not street legal. But I have a wife factor that just battles it to no end, even though we have pretty good insurance. All right, so we've been back and forth with Winfield at Goose Tunes on this new tune. We're having an issue with the car losing traction, hitting the rev limiter, falling on its face, and then getting him back up. So he threw me a transmission tune with that last E50 tune. It'll short shift from first to second and let us roll out the gate from there. So we're gonna get back over there here shortly and see what it do. All right, so I'd really like to take a minute and thank a short list of people here that's really helped us get where we're at with this thing. And first and foremost is Gary Pelchier with Evadale Raceway. If it wasn't for Gary, we probably wouldn't do any of this right now. He calls us when cool people are going to show up, gives us a heads up, invites us in. And he don't have to do that, but he does, and we're very thankful for that. Second, we got Winfield at Goose Tune. Now this guy, you know, I did a lot of research before I actually went with Winfield at Goose Tune. And I'm glad I did. That guy is there for any phone call, any email, any issue, anytime. Even if we were trackside, he said he would be right there waiting for us. It's hard to beat that kind of customer service. I mean, there's a lot of good tuners out there, I'm sure, I know. I've heard about all of them. But I'm glad I went with him because he's just there. I'm a needy guy. I got questions. And we moved right into Mark at Mac Tire. He put our Mickey Thompsons on for us. We got Core Automotive, who did our transmission fluids for us, make sure it was up to par. And then last but not least, Recoil Racing for how quick they turned this car around for us and got us back to the track with all the installs they did. Thank you all. Appreciate all of you. Doc out. God bless. Thanks for watching. Your mom. See you in episode 5. Lord willing. I'm out.